Hi, welcome to MayfairDenver.com. I'm Jennifer Pollock of Extra Extra Homes and MayfairDenver.com. Today, I'd like to invite you all to join me on this month's Mayfair Home Tour. It always happens the second Saturday of every month, and this month it'll be March 12th. We meet at Palmer Elementary School, 995 Grape Street, at 11 a.m., and we tour 5 homes. My newest listing at 1075 Ivy Street will be on the tour this month. I'll also be having an open house of this home on March 5th and 6th from 12 to 4 p.m. So come on by for either of your 2 opportunities to see this wonderful new listing of mine. It's steps to Mayfair Park. It's on a cul-de-sac. It's a fabulous new listing. High-end finishes, granite in the kitchen. You'll be wowed. Come visit me or call me to see it for yourself, and I'll give you a private showing. Jennifer Pollock of Keller Williams Realty, Denver Tech Center, 720-495-9404. Hope to see you at my open house or the tour this month.